Okay, so good morning, grade 4.
Good morning, Sir
Teacher
Vincent.
Vincent.
Good
Good
morning,
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 classmates!
classmates.
I'm
I'm
glad to
glad to
see
see you
you.
again.
morning.
Good morning. Ayan, so Daniel Rob cannot join us. I don't know why. Ayun, so hindi daw siya makapasok using our password. So, post na lang natin tong video niya. Okay, so ayan. So let's have a short review about the decimals. So can you still remember decimals?
Yes po,
Yes po,
teacher.
sir.
Ayan, so we are through with this one, di ba? Wait lang ha. So we are done with the fractions, converting into its decimal, di ba?
Decimal.
Ayan.
Oh.
Yun. So di ba we are done with this one, decimal numbers. So short recap lang tayo. So how are you going to read this? Okay. So how are you going to read this decimal? For example, we have 0.5. So how are you going to read this one? Kapalin natin. Okay, ayan. So how are you going to read this one? 0,
5,
0 and
5,
5
5
tenths.
tenths.
this would be tenths. So how are you going to convert this into fraction? Magiging
5 at the top
5 all
and
over
all over 10.
10.
10. Okay, so that is 5 tenths. So the place value of this is
Tenths.
tenths. How about 0.125? Oops, sorry. Napindot ko. How about this one? Ayan.
0 and 125. 0 and
0 and
0,
125,000.
This would be 125 thousands, diba? So this tens, we have hundreds.
Thousand.
We have
Thousands.
thousands with THS, ayan. So this would be 125 all over. Oops, pangting. All over 1,000. Tama?
Yes po.
Okay. So, madali lang?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, I'm confused of the compare the following decimal numbers.
Yung?
The week 2 in the last one.
The last one? What do you mean the last one? Saan banda doon?
Last time.
Last time? Wait, can I see it?
No, I already answered it.
Okay. And so those are... Ma'am? Okay po. Teacher Christina, ma'am. Yes po. Okay. So in word form, we have 8 and 7 tenths. Ayan. 8 and 7 tenths. In fractional form, magiging 8 and 7 all over 10. Diba? So the whole
Yes,
number
po.
would be the whole number for the fractional form. And the decimal part would be the fractional part naman dito. Okay?
Yes.
7, that
Yes
would
po,
be
sir.
7 tenths. 15, that would be 15 all over 100. Okay. So 2.03, that would be tens, hundreds, di ba? So that would be hundreds.
100.
We're
Yes.
not gonna write the 0 at the top po.
Hindi na po. Kung 0 yung start nito, for example, this is 03, huwag na po natin isusulat dito, okay?
Okay po, sir.
Can we do?
O yan, so let's try 5/10. So 5/10, paano yan? We have
5 all over 10.
5, oy, sorry. Napipindot ko kasi. 5 all over 10, diba? How about number 2? 3,500.
35. And then 100.
That would be 35 over 100. Or equivalent siya sa decimal natin na 0.5. Tama? Dito naman 0.35. Tama?
35.
Okay, number 3. 2 and 2/10 sabi niya. So the fractional part would be 2 and 2 over.
All over 10.
So the decimal form would be 2.0.
0 2. No, 2 only.
Take note of that, okay? Okay, how about number 4?
6
6
as a whole number.
and 4 hundreds. Okay, so what would be the decimal form? 6.100. Ibig sabihin, it would be 0.4. Kuha?
Yes po, sir.
Oh, how about number 5? We have 42. So that would be 42 and 21 hundreds. Therefore, the decimal form would be 42.21. Kuha?
Yes po, sir.
So that is our decimal. So sino pinakamalaki sa kanilang lahat? Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5?
Number
Pinakamalaki. We have
Number 5.
5.
42.21. How about the second one? Ano susunod? Is it 1, 2, 3, or 4? That would be 6.04. What's next?
2.2, which is 3.
2.2. What's next? Is it 0.5 or 0.35? Ano mas malaki sa kanila?
0.35.
5.
That would be 0.5. Okay. That would be 0.5. Bakit? The more na mas malapit siya dito, na greater yung number, the more na mas malaki siya. Okay? So this is 50, di ba? Kapag kinumpleto mo, that would be 50. Therefore, the least number would be 0.35. Am I clear? Clear, Shani?
Yes po, sir.
Okay. How about the others? May tanong po?
If you put another 0 po, sir, it will be more. The numbers will be.
Ayan. Kapag ganito yung sinulat ko, for example, we have 0.2 and 0.25. Ano mas malaki?
0.2.
0.2.
Kapag ganito, take note, add 0. So, ano na mas malaki?
0.25.
That would be 0.25. Kuha?
So you need to add 0 if it's only one
Yes.
number.
Yes. Kapag ito, 251, ito, magiging, add another 0. Therefore, ito yung mas malaki na. Clear?
Yes po, sir.
Okay. Clear ko muna yung lahat, ha? What if we have 0.3 and 0.25? Which is greater?
0.3.
The 0.3.
0.3. Bakit? Dagdagan mo ng 0. Yan lang siya, okay? So, let's proceed to rounding off numbers. Or, I mean,
What
rounding
if they're
off
both
decimals.
0 po, sir? What
O,
if they're both 0 po
di wala.
at the start?
Wala. They're both 0 in the start.
May tanong
No,
ako.
like 14 and 0, 7 and 14 and 0.
What? Paano?
What is the bigger?
0.14? Tama?
No, 0, 14.07.
14.07 and
14.0.
0 to. Saan na mas malaki?
02.
Ha?
I mean 07.
It's 0.7.
Illustra.
Okay. Ito pa rin mas malaki. Why? 0.7 is greater than 0.2. Tama? Pero pag ganito, 14.7 and 14.02, ano mas malaki? Still ito. Okay? Pero pag 14.2 and 14.07, ano mas malaki?
Oh, 14.2.
Okay, that would be 14.2.
Correct.
Okay. So there's no need for this kasi you already know this one. So, pero recap lang natin. This would be ones, tens, hundreds, di ba? It is a whole number. And then the decimal part or part of a whole. Okay? So mag-start sa 10, THS, followed by hundreds, followed by thousands. Tema? Tama?
Yes po, sir.
Tema. Okay. Tema. Okay, so examples. Ayan. Tema. Okay, so let's try to identify this one. So 0.35. So yung 3 na to, this would be, anong place value natin for that one?
Tenths.
This would be tenths. How about for number 2?
Tenths.
We have 6.112. Still, this is tenths. How about 3? Number 3?
Hundreds.
This is with tens. This would be hundreds. So, take note. Yun pa rin yung spelling niya. Dagdagan lang ng THS. How about number 4?
100.
That would be Uy, hindi makita yung H. Hundreds. Okay, how about this one? Number 5?
Once.
Ones. Okay, very good. That would be ones. Okay, andun na siya sa whole number. Okay, hindi na siya nasa part of a whole or the decimal. Tema?
Ay, the first one po, sir, is one.
Yes, one. This one.
And then the one po is tenths.
What? Yes, tenths. Dadagdagan ng THS kapag it is a decimal, okay?
Yes po, sir.
Pero kapag whole number siya, for example, number 5, this would be ones. So for 1, this would be tens, di ba? Wala siyang THS, okay? Okay. Ones.
Because once.
Yes.
Why could it be?
And then you add THS.
No?
Once.
Once. Okay, so we are already done with that one. So, write each decimal in words. Okay, so there's no need, tama? You already know it.
0 and... We're not gonna read the 0 po, sir. If
Hindi na po, hindi na. Kapag, wait lang, kapag dito, for example, ang start niya is 0, ang susulat mo na lang po dyan would be, this would be,
Tenths.
yes, 8
10.
tenths. O dito, 7 end. Take note of that,
End.
dapat may end for the decimal point.
6 tenths.
6
Tenths.
tenths. O, ganun lang O for example ito, the 1 100,
25.
25,
That's long.
and
And
9.
900.
100.
Take note of the spelling ha. THS. Okay? Clear na natin yan.
Wrong spelling is wrong po, sir.
Of course. Wrong spelling is wrong.
Of course.
Yes. Okay, so let's go now to rounding of decimal numbers to the nearest whole number and tenths. Okay. So, take note that rounding decimals, ayan, so in rounding decimals, you need to find your place and look next door. So, 5 pataas, that would be plus 1 or add more, tama? Okay. So, kapag 4 pababa,
Only add 1.
yes, add 1. Diba? 1 more. Okay? Pero kapag 4 pababa, it will become 0. Tama?
Yes po, sir.
It will disappear.
Okay. Wait. Wait lang. Jello. Pakitawag si Kuya mo, Aldrin. Okay. So, ayan. For example, we have... dito na sa baba. Oy, sorry.
Nearest
Ayan.
100.
So, for example, this one. Round 1.362 to the nearest hundreds. Okay, THS. That would be 1.632. So, saan ba ang hundreds dito? We have 6, tama?
6.
So, 6 is higher.
Yes.
Okay. But then,
We will have to...
yung katabi niya,
the
di ba?
second.
Yes. Yung katabi ng hundreds, ibig sabihin, that would be 2. So, mag-i-stay pa rin si 6, tama? Hindi siya magiging 7. Bakit? 2 lang siya. Ibig sabihin, 4 pababa, these hundreds will remain. And then, kapag 5 patas naman ito, it will add 1. Tama? Okay. So, next example, we have 25.378 or 25 and 378 thousands to the nearest tens. Ibig sabihin, tens ito. So, parang ano rin lang, parang nag-round off rin lang kayo ng whole number. Ayan. So, 3, ang katabi niya is 7. Therefore, magdadagdag or hindi? Magdadagdag. Ibig sabihin, this 3 would become 4. Okay.
100.
400. Or 4 lang. Okay, 400. So, let's try this one. So, another example, we have 4.73. So, round off down natin si 7. Okay, anong mangyayari? Magiging 4.7 na lang. Bakit? Itong 3 na to, nawala na kasi hindi naman siya tumaas. Okay? Okay, how about 1? Kapag 0 yung decimal natin, there's no need to write. Okay?
26.
Pero, this 4.7 is also equal to 4.70. Ayan. So, yung 3 na yon nawala. So, kahit hindi mo natin isulat, okay lang. Okay?
Sir, can I write the 0 because I'm kind of
Confused?
confused?
Sa decimal kasi natin, if it is 0 na, there's no need to write it na. Okay? Another example, try natin to. Diba this 25.65, ayan, so round off na natin si 5. Therefore, ang equivalent niya is, so yung katabi niya is 6. Therefore, magiging plus 1, magiging 26.00, tama? But then, there's no need to write 00. Kaya ang sagot lang natin dyan is 20. Oy, sorry.
If we're gonna round off po, sir,
26.
there should be no 0 po.
Yes, mawawala na yung 0. Another example, number 3. Tingnan mo. 7.18. Round down natin si 1. Or yung tens natin. So, yung katabi niya is 8. Therefore, magiging 7 magpa-plus ng isa dito. Therefore, becomes 7.2 or 7 and 2 tenths. Okay, hindi na siya magiging 20. Wala na yan. It would be 7.2 na lang or 7 and 2/10. Kuha?
Yes po, sir.
Let's try to have more examples tayo. I still have Ayan. So round off to the nearest underlined digit. So number 1. Tara natin. So yung katabi ng 0 is 7. Okay. This would become 11. There's no need to write the zeros, okay?
So, just 11 po, sir.
Yes, 11. How about 9? So 4 yung katabi.
We're not gonna like hundreds po, teacher.
9 na lang. Hindi na po.
We're not... Oh, okay.
How about this one? 0.39. This 3 would become
4.
0.4.
So, there's still gonna be the 0 in the front?
Yes. Kapag decimal tayo, kapag before the decimal point, kailangan may 0 po. Kung walang whole number dyan. Okay? Okay.
So, even the 11 is 0.11?
Nope. It is a whole number.
Oh, okay.
Kapag hindi siya whole number, this would be a part of a whole, tama? Ibig sabihin, hindi siya buo. Ibig sabihin, yung decimal point natin is andito. And kailangan natin isulat si 0. Number 4. Anong magiging sagot dito? Katabi niya is 3. So, round off to the nearest tenths. Ibig sabihin, this would be 0.9. Magiging 9 plus 1. I mean,
10.
sorry. Hindi pala siya, 9 and 3. So, hindi tayo magdadagdag pala ng isa. It will remain. That would be 0.9. Sorry, kala ko magdadagdag ng isa. Ayun. I'm a bit confused din. Sorry. Okay, how about number 5? We have 17.18 or 17 and 18 hundreds. That would be. So 7, ang katabi niya is 1. So are we going to round up or down?
Down.
Down. So magiging 17 lang po siya. Nakuha?
Yes,
Yes
po,
po,
sir.
teacher.
So, do you have questions pa?
None po.
Okay,
Then
so
po, teacher.
rounding kasama itong rounding of numbers sa
Correct po, teacher.
hindi na
I
po.
will have to review that
Yes.
a lot of time.
Kasama po to sa exam ha. Itong rounding of
Sir,
numbers.
can you post the
Reconnect.
Yes. No need na po, no need na.
Okay.
Okay, so comparing, so we are already done with this one last time. So ayan, try natin. Ano mas malaki dito? Is it 3.81 or 3.18?
3.81.
That would be 3.81. Therefore, the answer here is greater than. How about number 2? 0.08 or 0.8?
Less than.
This would
Less
be
than.
less
Than.
than. How about for number 3?
Equal.
Yes, that would be equal to. Kuha?
Yes po, sir.
Okay, let's try to arrange this one. Arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. So, ascending muna tayo for number 1. Ascending. Ano mas malaki dito? Ay, ano mas maliit? Pag sinabing ascending, it is lowest to greatest. Tama?
28.
Okay. So, ascending muna tayo. That would be, dito na lang, mas malawang. Okay. So, ano mas malaki?
128.
Anong pinakamaliit? 1.28 hundreds. What's next?
169.
1 and 69 hundreds. What's next?
182.
1.82 and last one we have 1.96.
96.
How about number 2? for ascending? Okay.
953.
9
53.
Ascending po muna.
Oh. Okay.
9.03. Next one is 9.05
9.35
and 9.
9.53.
Okay, so sa descending, number 1, we have 1.96,
196. 182. 169 and 198.
Okay, how about number 2?
953. 935.
35.
5 and 93.
Okay. Kuha na?
Yes, po, sir.
Okay. So, are we clear? Do you have question still?
Sir, are you gonna post the reviewers later?
Yes, I'm gonna post it later.
Okay
Okay.
po.
So next time, geometry na po tayo. So we are already done with the chapter 1, which is algebra, okay? Or the number sense, okay?
That was
Okay
algebra.
po, teacher.
Yes, that is also part of the algebra. Yes, Isabella?
We're in geometry.
Yes, geometry na tayo next time. So that would be all. Ayan, so I'm gonna end this this recording. So thanks for listening and have a nice day.